I'm Thomas Haynes, I'm the procurement apprentice at IAE and I started here last year, so I've been here for just over a year now. So the reason why I chose an apprenticeship, I did go to sixth form originally, but I didn't enjoy it. I knew I wanted to get into a real organisation and start my general working life.
I'd say it's better than anything else for me, because even if you've just got a qualification but you haven't started the job yet, your employer's still going to take a risk on you, whereas when you've already been working there and now you've got your qualification, they're not taking a risk on you. They know who you are and it's sort of like putting your foot in the door then.
So what inspired me was because I like the fact that I could earn whilst I learn, and I'm getting that real hands-on experience in a workplace, and I'm getting the qualification at the end, which is what I wanted.
Another factor in choosing to do an apprenticeship rather than traditional forms of education would be because I've not always been the strongest at classroom learning, and sometimes I find it difficult to work when there's not real world scenarios and nothing really riding on that piece of coursework, whereas with an apprenticeship you're achieving real goals for a real company and it does matter what you're doing, so it's very valuable in gaining you that sort of experience.
Everything is done within the company, so I don't have to go every Friday to a college. It's all done within the company, so it's a lot easier, and they provide laptops and they provide everything you need, so you don't need to go out and get it on your own. It's all within the company.
When I first started, I didn't know much about IAE, and then when I came for my interview and I got to know more about the workplace and the people involved, I definitely thought that this was a place that I wanted to develop my career in.
It's a family business. You're not just a number, you are valued at IAE.
From the moment I've started, my manager, my colleagues have always been supporting me. You know, I've had constant one-to-ones about my apprenticeship, seeing how I'm getting on, and I've always had that helping hand if I need it.
Did you know that apprenticeships can range from a level 2 traineeship to a higher level apprenticeship or a degree apprenticeship?
Apprenticeships allow you to gain a nationally recognised qualification while working in a real job.
You can earn while you learn.
I've secured a full-time position within the company after completion of my apprenticeship.
Apprenticeships are paid for by the government and your employer.